Hi, I'm Shelley Stilger, the owner of Twist Yarn Shop in Wichita, Kansas, and I'm going to show you how to do a right twist stitch. Okay, in order to do a right twist stitch, I'm going to just knit a couple of stitches here to get into my fabric a little bit. And now we're going to twist these two stitches together in a right-hand direction. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into these two stitches as if you're going to knit. Like you're going to knit them together. All right, so we're going to knit them together, except before we take them off the needle, you're going to take your right hand needle again and go right in between those two stitches so that you can knit the first stitch on its own and not together. And then you pull your needle up right in between them, like so. And then you pull both of the stitches off the left hand needle. All right, so I'm going to do that again. I'm just going to knit a regular stitch in between, and now we're going to do a right twist. We're going to go into both stitches like we're going to knit them together. Right now they're together, and we're going to knit that stitch. But before we pull it off, we're going to take the right hand needle in between the two stitches and knit just the one on the right hand side. So you need to make sure you bring your right needle right up in between those when you knit, and then pull them both off. So I did both of those in the continental style with my yarn in my left hand. I'm going to switch hands so that you can see it English style. You do it exactly the same. I'm just going to hold the yarn in my other hand. So two together, and then just the first one on its own. Knit it all the way through before you take both of the stitches off your needles. Okay? Now, if you'd like to know how to do a left twist, it's very much the same. We're just going to reverse it a little bit. What you're going to do is these are the two stitches that we're going to twist in the left direction. So you're going to knit into the back of the second stitch. Okay, so it's second stitch on my left hand needle. I went into the back of that stitch. I'm going to knit just the back of just that stitch but not pull it off. Just like so. And then I'm going to take my right hand needle and I'm going to go into both of those two stitches in the back. And then I'm going to knit them together and pull both of those off my needles. And then I've twisted my two stitches to the left. All right, so I'm going to do that one more time. Into the back of the second stitch, just on its own. Knit it, but don't pull it off. Just pull the stitch through, like so. And then we're going to go into the back of both of those stitches. Together like that, and then you're going to pull both the stitches off your needle like so. Okay? And that is how you do a right twist stitch.